2809 South Alaska Place. Date November 9th, 2022. Making this recording from the excavation here on the east side of the house. As far as I can push the camera down, there's a small offset in the clay pipe there. I believe we might be tying into a common line shared with the neighbors on this road. I'm going to pull back from here and get a look at the line. We've got it clear now. It was holding upon arrival today. Turn it on its side. I think it works better on its side. There you go. I'm still recording sound too. That is our jetter nozzle. That's what we use to get this line open. The small dip in the line there. You can see it's kind of bellied out, flat in that section. Tie in on the left side of our screen there. Maybe for an old downspout on the front corner of the house. Kind of a large pile of wipes still sitting in the line. I'll flush those out before we get out of here today. But the line does appear to be a little flat through this initial section. There you see we're coming up out of the water. There is the access today we made this recording from. We'll bring a surface clean out up before all said and done. End the video there. Go ahead and hit record.